How to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and at the top, search for the website where you want to disable pop-up blocker. After you're in the site, in the search bar you'll find two dots. Click on it. After you click on the two dots in the search bar, you'll find these options. Click on Site Settings at the bottom. In Site Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, search for pop-up and redirects. And click on it and press on Allow. After that, this is just for specific website, but if you want to do it for whole Chrome, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you will find these options. Scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find Privacy and Security on the left side. Click on it. Then scroll down and click on Site Settings. In Site Settings, scroll down and you'll find Pop-up and Redirects. Click on it. After you click on it, make sure the blue dot is in Sites, can send pop-ups and use redirects, and then you're good to go. This is how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.